Hey my cookies! Today we are going to be making these stuffed hamburgers or Juicy Lucy, whatever you want to call it, in an air fryer, and it's so good and so easy to do. So let's cook. Of course, we're going to start with some ground beef, or you can use ground sirloin, that's still beef, Coop, whatever. Ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever, just some ground meat. And we're going to season it because I'm not a salt and pepper chick. You know, some people like to just make the patty and then put the little salt, sprinkle a little pepper on the sides. I got to get it all mixed in. So I'm using some Cajun seasoning. Use your favorite seasoning salt. And of course, baby, season your burgers however you like. This is just my way, okay? Then I'm going to add in some garlic powder. Okay, I lied. That was definitely onion powder. This is the garlic powder. Doesn't matter the order, y'all. Just put both of them in there, okay? Next, we're going to need some egg. 2 of those things. Drop it in there. Okay, this part is completely optional, but I like flavor. So I have to add some very finely chopped green bell pepper and some finely diced onion. Okay, it just adds so much flavor to these burgers. It's so good. Of course, you don't have to do it. This is my burger. But anyway, now I'm going to add in some Worcestershire sauce. I ain't measuring that. We just dropping it in here, as you can see. Then go ahead, get your hands dirty or wear gloves like your girl and mix it really, really well. Now form your little patties, make them as big or as little as you'd like, and then we're going to take a piece of cheese, a block of cheese. Get a block, your favorite cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack. Press it in the center of the patty and then just roll it together and form the meat around. Y'all know, like that. Now we can scurry on over to the air fryer. I'm going to preheat my air fryer. The preset is set to 400 already, so I'll just roll with that. Once it's preheated, we're going to get our cooking spray and spray the little basket, pop the patties in there, and we're going to air fry them on 370 for 8 minutes, okay? When the 8 minutes are up, y'all look at them things, all juicy or whatever. We're going to flip it over. And then we're going to continue air frying at the same temp for another 3 to 5 minutes or until the burgers are as done as you desire. And then y'all, look at this. Look at the cheese just oozing out of there. Oh my God, these burgers were so good, you guys. Let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Allow those juices to settle. Then you can dress it however you like. And guys, you have the most delicious stuffed burger that we did in the air fryer in under 15 minutes. Look at God. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I gotta eat, so until next time, be blessed.